Hi, this is Ben and Shannon in beautiful downtown Carmel. We're with Keller Coastal Estates and Team Beesley, and we have an amazing day today, Shannon.
We are so excited. You're in for a treat with some amazing bikes, awesome scenery, and a very cool house. Come on, let's go.
Martin Watson.
Mine Watson.
How are you, sir?
Mine Watson at your service. Good to see you.
So nice to see you.
Welcome to Mad Dogs and Englishmen.
Thank you for having us here. We're so excited about this shop.
You've told me before, people are coming from all over the country to come here.
The world
to come here.
All over the world to come here, yeah. I mean, you know, we started as a little seed, a tiny little idea. You know, we brought this idea to Carmel as people who live locally, who shared a passion about getting out and about and exploring what Carmel has to offer. So what we do is we bring that enjoyment to them in such a special way.
Can I put my dog in this?
Experience. Shannon, I would insist you put your dog in there. You know?
Ties in heaven.
As long as your dog isn't over 100 pounds, as long as we're not talking some burner here.
We're okay.
Easy peasy.
He's going to be like this.
He might be a little scared, but we can do it.
Wait, that's a helmet?
I thought
It's
it
a
was a
helmet.
hat, but really,
Yeah,
it's a helmet.
let's give it a little knock. How about that? That's no ordinary hat, I can
That
tell
is
you.
no straw hat.
Yeah,
So you picked a couple of bikes out for us already?
I have.
And they're out front?
They are out front.
Can you give us a show?
Of course I can.
I
Yeah.
think we're gonna ride to some of our favorite spots around town and then go check out a new listing here at Carmel by the Sea.
So come with us. We're at Nielsen Brothers Market, the coolest market in all of Carmel, where you want to get anything you need. Wine, fruit, fresh baked goods.
Thank
Oh,
you.
Shannon.
For you.
We're going to put this in our basket
We sure are.
for our ride.
Yes, enjoy it.
Ben Beesley, Shannon Vereker, how are
Bill
you?
Bloom, one of our favorite people on the planet.
Likewise, Ben. Nice rides. Very nice rides.
Thank you.
Yes.
Tell us about this house.
Well, this is the Sir Harry Downey house. Harry Downey restored most of the missions in California, including our Carmel Mission. And he did this house, according to his daughter, he used a lot of the same materials that he used in the mission. So this house was built about 1938, 1940. Harry did actually live here. He's Sir Harry Downey because he was knighted twice, once by Pope Pius and once by King Juan Carlos of Spain. Okay, so the main house was built in 1938, 1940. There was an addition of about 540 square feet, which is the master suite. The whole house is about 1,850 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. We're on a huge lot, especially for Carmel Woods, which is 9,000 square feet, so it's almost a double lot. And then we've got this really charming guest unit.
Is that what's down there?
That is what's down there.
Oh my God.
So that's about 400 square feet.
And you're in this crazy cool sun belt as well.
Yeah, we're a little bit sunnier than the rest of Carmel,
Right.
and we've got great courtyard and outdoor spaces that really maximize that. So we've got this great courtyard in the back. We've got a courtyard sort of off the master, and then we've got the big porch and patio in the front.
All with that traditional Spanish style
All-
architecture.
yeah, and this is a really good example of the early California ranch style, which is one of the reasons why it's historically significant. And throughout, you'll find little tiles and things that seem very mission-y.
Yeah.
We don't know exactly where Harry got them, but there are lots of little details sort of scattered through the house that show just that level of detail.
I love
That's
this.
just
I
not
love
sort
this
of-
house. Thank you so much for sharing it with us.
What an amazing day we just had in downtown Carmel by the Sea.
Oh my God, Shannon. Special thanks to Mad Dog and Englishmen for the electric bikes and the tour we did today. Bill Bloom and the amazing, interesting, historic home we got to see. And Nielsen Brothers Market for the wine that they gave us. And I think it's time to open up a bottle, don't you?
Let's go down to the beach.
Can't wait.
Thanks so much for joining us.